Students, today we will learn letter B and its formation. First of all, how we can write letter B? Standing line, small semicircle like this. This is letter B. Now we will repeat it. Standing line, small semicircle like this. This is letter B. This is letter B, and sound of letter B is B. Again speak with me. This is letter B, and sound of letter B is B. Now we will read it. Some words start with letter B. Butterfly. B sound is coming in butterfly. Book. B sound is coming in book. B sound is coming in B. Brinjal. B sound is coming in brinjal. Boat. B sound is coming in boat. Banana. B sound is coming in banana. Balloon. B sound is coming in balloon. Do more practice in your house. Thank you, children.